Acción.
For the first mixture, we put 1 tablespoon of 50% glue solution and 3 tablespoons of 4% borax solution. It didn't work out too well. It's very liquidy and not solid.
And you can't really take it out of the baggie because as you can see it's liquid, so if you take it out it'll drip, you know, like liquid drips.
For the second mixture, we used 2 tablespoons of 50% glue solution and 2 tablespoons of 4% borax solution. And the mixture is getting more gooey and not as liquidy.
And I guess you can take it out, but it's still more liquidy than gooey, so if we take it out it'll just be a big mess. But as you can see, you know, you can still see some liquid in it, and we've already squished it a lot of times.
Now the third mixture, it has 3 tablespoons of 50% glue solution and 1 tablespoon of 4% borax solution, and it's very solid.
It's
and
very
gooey.
gooey, and it's kept together, so there's like you can't see the liquid inside anymore. So this we can actually take out.
And
Time to show it. Well, apparently it's not so easy. Wow, look at this texture. Oh my god, it's like so gooey. No liquid. My hands aren't even wet.
it's very squishy.
Look, and
And you can
stretchy.
stretch it and break it.
Look at this. It's like
Amazing.
Play-Doh or
It's
clay.
really cool.
Let's show it on number 3. Hold up, let me make a
Perfect.
It sits already.
Number 4.
For the fourth mixture, we put in 5 tablespoons of 50% glue solution and 1 tablespoon of 4% borax solution.
And as you can see, this one's even more gooey than the other one, which means that if you pull it apart, it'll break even more easily. That one's a little more flexible, number 3, but this one's, as you can see, it's way harder, more gooey.
Pretty squishy.
Now we'll take it out and place it so you could see.
Number 4.
Kind of like
You stick all of it.
and then it comes out in a blob.
It's
It
like a little
feels
ball.
squishy.
And like I
And
said,
like,
look.
it's stretchy.
Oh, it's actually, yeah.
It
Breakable.
breaks too.
It's more breakable than the other one.
And then-
The other one's a little more flexible. And this one's way thicker. This one is a little like, it's thinner.
thinner.
And like,
This
this
feels really thick and more dense.
They're pretty alike though, just this one's a little harder. And you see how this one's a little flatter? This one can like stand in a blob, this one can't really do that.
This one's like sticking to
It's,
the...
it's a little more liquidy.
We'll show you what the two looks like because it's
Like-
more liquidy.
But then the
But
first
the
one,
first one, it's complete liquid.
so we can't take it out.
We can't really do anything about that. And then- As you
Just a
can
little
see,
bit.
it's sticking to my glove, and it's really gooey,
You see how it looks, right?
and the liquid is sticking.
It's really sticky because obviously we put more liquid on this one than we did on the other ones. So that's a little bit of what it looks like. You can't really like take it apart, you see?
You can't do anything with it, pretty much.
It's way too liquidy, and if we take the whole thing out, it's just gonna make a mess, so yeah. And baggie number 1. We'll show you a bit of it. Ta-da!
It's water.
It's pretty much liquid with glue. Ta-da! Number 4. Number 3. Yeah, that's number 2. And number 1 is liquid. So as you can see, this was the
Bouncy.
polymer.
Chemistry.
Which one do you like the best?